And this is very, very tarnished. I'm going to go straight in. Are you watching? Let me try and focus it on there. I'll go half in first. Look at that. That is absolutely insane. Look at the difference. Hello fellow stackers, 365 here. Welcome back to my channel. So this is kind of a part 2 from the video that I released yesterday where I was going through and cleaning some of my coins. Now in that video I went through and I cleaned all of these coins over here, and I will leave that video link in today's video description. So if you want to see how this coin and all of these other coins at the back here started before I cleaned them, do head over and watch that video. But in today's video we're going to be cleaning these coins here. These are old circulated sixpences. They are very tarnished and brown and not very fun looking. These are going to be exchanged for my son's teeth, left in place of when the tooth fairy comes to take his teeth away. And I tried cleaning them using bicarbonate, but it hasn't given them that much of a shine. So in today's video we're going to be using this silver cleaner. Not sponsored, just searched it on eBay for it and I found it. And it worked incredibly well on these coins, so I'm hoping it's going to work even better if I leave it a little bit longer. Now it does actually say do not leave longer than 5 minutes. So today we're going to be breaking the rules. We're going to be tipping all of these coins in here, and we're going to be doubling the time that it says do not leave them in there for. So just to show you on the back here, immerse silver items in the jar until tarnish disappears, but no longer than 5 minutes. So like I said, we're going to be doing 10 minutes today. We're going to be doubling that time because I want these doubly shiny, and I will show you how they come out. But before we do that, I'm just going to do one of them first to show you the difference. You can see how dark and dull it is. And if we dip it over here in the solution, and if I just go half the way in to start with, you can see it makes such a difference. You can actually see the half that went in the solution and the half that didn't. So that was literally in there for what, 5 seconds, and you can already see a big difference. So let's see what happens to these coins after 10 minutes. So we're going to pop them all in there now. And we're going to see what happens. Now let me know in the comment section, pause the video and let me know in the comment section, what do you think is going to happen if I leave these coins in here for double the recommended time that you're meant to? Are we going to see a... Whoa. Oh God, hope that solution's not going to burn through my table. I'm going to go and wash my hands. But yeah, let me know in the comment section, what do you think that's going to do to my coins? Is it going to damage my coins? Is it going to erode the surface of the coins? I really don't know what to expect. But we are going to be leaving it for 10 minutes. And I will resume the video after 10 minutes is up. Alexa, stop. Right, so that is 10 minutes up. So this has been sitting in this solution for 10 whole minutes, which is double the recommended time. So I'm just going to go and rinse all this water out and rinse these coins under the tap. And then I'll bring them back in the camera to show you how they look. Right, so there we go. So these coins have now just been sitting in that solution for a whole 10 minutes. And now I've just rinsed them on hot water to get the solution off them. And they look absolutely incredible. Now, it's quite hard in this lighting to show how good these have come out, but they have come out so much better than when I tried cleaning them with the bicarbonate solution. They look absolutely incredible, really, really shiny. Now, you're never going to get coins like this perfectly shiny because they've been in so many pockets and they've been circulated. But I think you'll agree, compared to how they looked before they went in, they look a hell of a lot more appealing. So that's today's video. Thanks very much for watching. Like I said, do check out part 1 in today's video description. In terms of ruining the coins for leaving them double the amount of time, I can't see any damage to them. Don't try that at home though, just in case it does erode the coins. It was just a bit of an experiment, but they've all come out, in my opinion, looking really, really nice. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and I will see you in the next video. Hope you have a nice day.